Bitcoin shoots upwards. Today we're going to find out what's next. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. So today we printed a new all-time high. We shot right through that resistance area and we're looking to continue the uptrend as it is for now. So basically, I am looking for Bitcoin to push further upwards. We picked up some liquidity over here, printed a tweezer bottom pattern, which looks like so. Let me just quickly. This is a tweezer bottom pattern, basically two candlesticks with a long wick at the bottom near this demand area. And now we're looking to continue this uptrend even further. So we picked up liquidity and now we're moving towards the higher areas of around 69,000. So basically the scenario that I sketched was that we would take out the all-time high and get a rejection. I didn't see any short opportunities in here, so I wasn't positioned. Then we got a short squeeze upwards, a big blast of around 5%, and now we're looking to continue that momentum further to the upside. So right now, if we look at Bitcoin dominance, the scenario that I sketched before, right here, of having a further drop in the altcoin dominance when Bitcoin shot up and then gaining some momentum in the altcoin market. That's the scenario that's playing out right now. But as you see this trend line over here, we still haven't broken it. And I'm looking to fill up this demand area on altcoin dominance, basically having one last push upward for BTC. Then we fill up this demand area right here. We make a double bottom. And then we see some more momentum in the altcoin market. So basically that's what I'm expecting for the altcoin markets right now. And I'll show you which prices I'm looking at on BTC. So basically the first area I was looking at was that demand area on 64,000. The lower end of that demand area is 63,500. And now we just created new demand right here. So if we close like a bullish candle like this, then we just created new demand here on Bitcoin. So this old demand right here becomes less relevant, and I'll just be looking at 65,100 for a potential continuation or at least a rejection of this strong demand area right here. If we close in 2.5 hours, if we close this candle like a bullish candle like so. So for the rest, that's basically what I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue this strong bullish uptrend. Let's say we will go a little bit below the 70,000 area, then get a small pullback, gain momentum in the altcoin markets, and I will believe that we will still continue this bullish momentum for a little time to come. So then one of the projects that I'm watching is RUNE. RUNE seems to be willing to break out right here of this longer term symmetrical triangle. And yeah, it just has a lot of room to grow towards the upside. This is one of my favorite projects fundamentally. And there's just a big news event coming in October. They're trying to relaunch the Ethereum network on the Thor blockchain. And that will mean that after the hack that they previously experienced, that they are now fully operational again, and that just allows a lot of RUNE tokens to flow out of exchanges into the Thor swap exchange. And yeah, a lot of that liquidity that's currently on exchanges will then be collecting some nice APRs on the Thorchain network, therefore having a thinner liquidity on the exchanges, and we can see a impulsive price movement towards the upside on RUNE. So that's what I'm looking for RUNE. A similar project that has done that before is LUNA. That was my favorite pick for 2021. And yeah, LUNA seems to be willing to continue that uptrend as well. There are a few levels I'm looking at. Here, the point of control at 37.88. This demand area right here, just above the 0.618 fib at 38.88. I'm basically looking for Luna to continue upwards like that. And yeah, we can see that if you have a all-time high right here, right, and you're just consolidating for a long while, if people start to discover the project, then you can just rally and rally and rally and rally and rally. So basically what we did here on Luna is nobody really was talking about the project anymore, and then yeah, from this low right here to this high right here, we basically went a 10x, just because people started to notice what kind of potential this project has. So I love to position myself in those plays that are not known yet, and that's why I love RUNE for the month of October, because we're making that same kind of consolidative price action, right, where you're just walking sideways, and then the longer you're consolidating, the bigger the breakout usually is. So that's what I'm looking for on RUNE. The first target I'll be looking at is $14.33. And yeah, for the rest, this is a long-term hold for me, because fundamentally the project is just very strong. It has great tokenomics. And if you want to know more about RUNE, we made a quick analysis video on this channel. So we don't just make daily market outlook videos, but we also have fundamental analysis videos. So if you want to know more about RUNE as a project, I suggest you strongly to watch the analysis video that I just made. So that was my quick Bitcoin and crypto market update. If you like these kinds of updates, I would suggest you to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment on what kind of coin you would like to treat me next. And then I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.